Kashif University is an after-school music, arts, and academics program for youth in foster care. It is having its grand opening ceremony today at Morningside High School in Inglewood, California.
We're here today for the kickoff of Kashif University. We're so excited to be here. We can't wait to see the results that are going to come out of this, and the children are so thrilled and happy to be here.
This is the fourth year of Kashif University, which is usually offered as a summer program. However, due to recent funding from Children's Trust Fund, Kashif University has been able to open up a 10-week winter session that will be going on every Saturday from now until December. This program provides an opportunity for youth to not only follow their musical dreams, but to also excel in school.
I love teaching, that's for sure. Just seeing their faces and their reactions when they actually learn something. That's like the biggest thing to me.
Kashif has been producing and making hits for artists such as Whitney Houston, Kenny G, Evelyn Champagne King, and many more.
Hi, my name is Kashif. I'm a songwriter-producer for 39 years now. And what we hope to do is to stimulate and bring to the forefront their love of knowledge in general. And we do that through the arts. And then we help them with their reading, writing, math, and science. So there you have it, Kashif University.
Kashif is a committed advocate for youth in foster care. Given his own life experiences of growing up in 8 different foster homes, he overcame his challenges and became a super producer, mega hit songwriter, and more importantly, brings hope to countless foster youth through Kashif University. I'm Brianne Kinder with OC News.